Ito po ang atin pong nakita. Welcome po sa live ha. Maraming salamat po. Paki-share po ng live natin. And then pa-heart, pa-react naman. So as you can see here, boss, una, gagawa ka ng trend line. Daming opportunity, boss, kay gold talaga. Kung alam mo ang gagawin mo, ang daming opportunity talaga, boss. Okay? Now, sinabi ko na kanina, boss, sa market na structure na atin pong napag-aralan. Okay? Sa market na structure na atin pong pinag-aralan, ha? Importante po ito. Ayan. Market structure. Yan. So, sinabi ko kanina, boss, that market structure, when it comes to the analysis or sa tinatawag natin na pag-analyze, technical analysis, you have to consider the price. Ito ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. You are going to look for the price of a certain currency that you are trading. If the price is increasing or decreasing. Ito, increase. Dalawa lang yan eh. If the price is increasing or either if the price is decreasing. Ito po ang pinaka-importante, lalong-lalo na sa tinatawag natin na market structure. Okay? So, ayan ha. So, ibig sabihin, kung may makita kang increasing of the price, okay, si gold, example ha, example si gold, if gold is increasing, makikita mo doon ang higher high and higher low. If si gold naman is decreasing, makikita mo doon ang lower high and also yung lower low. Okay, so ngayon, boss, in 4-hour time frame,